This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, Curtis and his daughter Autumn head north to Indiana, Pennsylvania to fly fish Yellow Creek Trout Club. Tune in as they meet up with owners of the club, Steve and Joe Renoski, as they show us why it's one of the best fisheries on the East Coast. This episode is packed with good times, some good laughs, and huge trout, so stick around.
Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.
What's going on, buddy?
There he is.
How you doing?
My guy.
You doing all right, man?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Welcome back.
Yeah. Truck looks good.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Mine's a little dirty.
So is mine. It's been a rough winter.
Yeah.
Salton, Bladen, cabin fever's hitting us right now, mid-March. And a nice crowd here, but let's get some fishing. I'm ready.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
I'm itchy.
Your water looks like perfect.
I'd say a 12 out of 10 on the color scale.
Yeah,
so,
yeah. Oh, yeah.
We're loaded up, plenty of fish. I did 4,100 fish since October.
Wow.
2024. The numbers are excellent each month,
Nice.
and people are happy. So let's get it going.
I'm excited. You got Jason with you today?
We
here?
got Jason Keller, member here last couple years. Got his guide license, and
Nice.
he's crushing it. He's dialed in. It's the word of mouth here with the members, especially the older guys that they're not stable on their own, but want to learn the holes, learn where the fish are at. And Jason's dialed in, and he's picking up some nice clientele here and making it work with them. So
I like it. I like it. So we can go wait her up now.
let's go wait her up, and let's go find some fish.
Good to see you, man.
Yep, same here.
I get this feeling like a bag of bricks. Try again tomorrow. Like a problem I can never fix. So end my sorrows. Hey, won't you pick it up a little bit faster? Hey, you know concrete dries better than plaster.
Brown? Look here. Coming upstream, Steve. Coming upstream. Oh, hold up, buddy. Make one more run. I'll fling him around. Right back is. Nice. That's a good one, huh? Woo. Ooh, man. That is a good one. Another football. Look at that guy. Huh?
Beautiful.
Another fish down here on Yellow Creek. And Jason, I can't thank you enough. This has
It's been a pleasure.
This has been awesome. Appreciate you. Come back for more Fly Rod Chronicles. You know, we came up here yesterday to start fishing, and Autumn, she went to her boss and said, hey, can I take a day off and go fishing? Luckily, her boss is a fly fisherman, so that always helps. But you know, I mean, here's a girl that left early this morning, drove all the way up here, spending the day with us, and she's not here just to fish. She's here to be with her husband, Evan. She's here to be with her father. She's here to get out. I mean, I've seen more smiles on her face just today than I've seen the entire year. And that's what Yellow Creek Trout Club does. Nice stick, Audie.
Oh yeah.
Nice stick.
Yeah, that felt like a nice one.
Good job, man.
It feels like a big one.
This might be a good one.
Trying not to. Can't tell.
Yeah, take your time. Let it go. Nice looking fish.
Oh yeah.
Good fish, Audie.
I thought I had a rock on there at first.
Take your time. Take your time. It'll probably make a jump and a run. Turn your body toward the fish. Don't. There you go. Atta girl. Nice!
Oh,
Atta
oh
girl!
yes.
Woo, woo, woo.
Woo.
That's a toad, huh?
Yeah,
That's a good one.
that is awesome.
Meeting Curtis for the first time, I actually met his daughters at ICAST in Orlando, Florida in 2017. Recognized them immediately from the show. They're wearing Fly Rod Chronicles swag. I beelined right up to them, introduced myself, said I was part of Yellow Creek Trout Club in Western Pennsylvania, not too far from the people from West Virginia. And Curtis wasn't there at the time, but they were there promoting the show. They took my info, and then 2 years later, he contacted me about doing a cicada show in 2019. I was just honored and just humbled that I was going to get to meet him, let him fish with him. And we did the first show with Autumn. And then today, we're doing our 5th show in 6 years, 30th year anniversary of the Yellow Creek Trout Club. It's been a heck of a ride. There it is. Attaboy.
Hey,
That's that bow.
that one I stuck in the side. I was like, I'm not going straight up, man. This ain't gonna be the Orvis shot. This is gonna be West Virginia Hillbilly hook set. That was so freaking cool, man.
I
That
think it's the one that was playing right here the whole time.
was fun. Nice. Stevie. Good call on the fly there. Good stuff, brother. Jason, that was awesome. Oh, do that. Steve, he's become family. I mean, to the point to where, you know, we got to do a couple shows. You know, Steve knew that my mother was sick, and when she passed, and my wife was like, "Who was the first guy that came into the funeral home?" He was wearing a 3-piece suit, and I didn't really recognize him because he's always in waders and always working, and you know. Up here, he's chainsawing, reconstructing dams, and it was Steve. And that's something that you don't ever forget, and that's a true friendship. And that's what fly fishing does to people. You form a relationship, a bond that lasts forever. Nice, Audie.
Good job, Audie.
Woo! Oh yeah.
Stay off the reel. Like, when it runs, don't hold the reel back. Let it.
Okay.
You're doing perfect. Yes, you are. Is that a brown? Rainbow?
I think it's a rainbow.
Way to go, Audie! Woohoo!
Wow.
Nice, Autumn.
Thank you.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome. All right.
Autumn.
Nice one. Man,
Woo.
Yellow Creek never disappoints, that's for sure.
Big Steve.
Thank you. Thanks, Jason.
Jason, you the man.
Thanks, Steve.
Every time we come up here, I kind of feel like Steve rolls out the red carpet. You know, his dad always shows up, his sister Sherry, and his mom. And I mean, you know, hats off to his father, Joe. You know, Joe was the a co-originator of the Banjo Minnow. I mean, made his living off of that, and then fished this creek when he was 10 years old, and now Steve takes over, and this is his 30th year. What an anniversary, what a milestone to be able to say that he built this Yellow Creek Trout Club, and 30 years later, he's still grinding and making it bigger and better. Atta girl, good hook set, Audie.
Oh, wow. Strong fish. Yeah. Wow. Oh my goodness. Strong fish. Oh, wow. Strong fish. Woo-hoo-hoo, baby. Yes! Yes!
Nice.
Oh my gosh!
Atta girl. Oh
Woo. I knew when you noticed that it was not a rainbow. You were like,
Nice.
sweet. Thanks, Jason. Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
So Autumn, let's see, she got one down there. That's 16, 14, 16, 15.
We did say for every 15 we might catch one brown. So
Yeah.
pretty accurate there.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Beautiful brown.
Autumn came in today, and we were cheerleaders again. I'm still on the bench, and she put on a clinic. She probably landed 12 fish upstream and caught a monster, a tank, a pig, a beast. That's how Kerns would say it.
Oh my! Oh!
Oh my God!
Holy Toledo! Atta girl. Oh my! Oh.
No one say anything.
This is serious.
It's just a regular fish.
You got this, babe. You got this. You got this. Keep going in. You got this. You got this. People go to New Zealand. People go all over the world to catch a fish like that.
Mm-hmm.
And right here in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, yep, and to have you with me and Evan, my husband, and an awesome guide and a guy like Steve, I mean, that was a moment I won't forget. like, no one say anything.
Holy! Oh my!
Whoa! My heart was beating so fast. I was like, no one say a thing. Good netting.
So, Audie, I mean, you have a knack for big fish.
And it's bigger than the one you caught yesterday, right?
Oh, you could have taken all my fish and put them together. That is a toad, man. No, that's
a beast.
I mean, that's why Yellow Creek Trout Club is known as the Beast of the East.
Mm-hmm.
They have it
March Madness.
Yeah.
in March Madness.
And Jasen gave great advice because it didn't matter if it was small fish or a big fish. He said, just have your mindset that you're reeling in a small fish. And the silence was heard after I said,
Yep.
Everyone don't say anything. No one say anything.
Yeah. You know, I still think his best advice he gave you was, Autumn, do not listen to your dad or Steve.
Yeah.
That was the best advice.
Yeah.
I would have to agree with that.
Yeah, you're the man. Let's release this.
All right.
What a moment. What a moment.
Woo!
He took out 3 cameramen. Wow.
Thank you so much. That was awesome. Thank you guys.
Come here.
Thank you.
Wait a minute. I'm
What a
done.
time.
Wait, come here, man.
That was awesome.
Man,
Oh my,
dude. People fish all over the world for a fish like that.
yes. Yes, an awesome netting. I mean, that was perfect.
If people went to New Zealand, if a person went and caught just that fish right there, that's a great trip.
Yeah.
I mean, that's epic.
And we've been here, what, not even an hour? Wow.
That memory of that thing just,
Yeah. Oh, my heart was beating so fast.
The silence is what got me.
Yeah.
Wait.
I was like, no one say a thing.
good stuff.
Oh, wow.
Hear me, right?
Come right here.
All right.
Turn this way. Turn,
All right.
turn,
Ready?
turn, 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 turn. Right there. Good.
All right.
Yeah.
So your main man, Steve, said you're going steelhead fishing, and he asked me to bring you something, and got you a 7-weight that I can't wait to see a picture of you holding a big old steely with this thing. Steve asked me last week to bring that to you. So
You're unbelievable.
I'm not.
Thank you,
This
man.
is your man. This is your
Thank you,
man.
brother.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you very much.
Absolutely.
You know, try it.
Yeah, man.
I'll give you some feedback.
Yeah.
Pictures wise.
Yeah.
I already know they can work. You've used them all week and they've hammered some fish. So thank you very much, man.
You bet.
Appreciate it.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
you.
Steve.
No problem.
Thanks for everything you did for us, man.
It wasn't even a job. It was fun.
Put Autumn
I
on
love
20 fish today.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
It was a great day.
Appreciate you.
You guys are all
Appreciate you, man.
Thank
Good
you.
stuff.